just go. Sheesh. Let me stop. I'm gonna show you guys. It's a trick, right? So I grab my airbrush tool, right, and I put it on random spots. Like I make a zigzag all over the place, right? Like, oh, this is zigzags, right? And then let's go with the colors we have. Then I add like a light pink, right? And I go into like the light spots with the light pink. Well, the medium pink or the medium purple. And then I add purple around it, right? And then I add a hue, like a light purple that I could find. So like I would just like add it. And you could go crazy with it. It has to look like tie-dye, okay guys? Little Sammy, cute Chibi's best, how are you? I'm doing good, how are you? Thank you so much for calling my Chibis cute. They're Celestial Chibis. She's cute, that's why. Okay, so after you do this, you get black, right? You get the black color, or you get like a really dark blue color, and you go and you put it behind it, right? And it looks dark, but don't worry, right? You want to merge those two together, right? And when you do it, you go to the blend tool, right? When you go to the blend tool in Clip Studio, they have a thing called fingertip. So what you want to do is you want to mix it up like any type of way you want to. And you want to do it all crazy so that it can come together into like, you know, just like a crazy nebula type feel. And you want it to blend in and give you like different marks all over the place. This would make a good YouTube video, best. I know it would. Like this is something I would have did on YouTube. So yes, guys, you keep going around in a circle as much as you can, right? I'm gonna do this as quickly as possible because I don't want to like wait too much on it. Make sure you get those blacks in there as best as possible because when it comes down to skies like this, the darkness and the glows of the light is what's gonna help it pop. The time to start now. It's time to start now. Yes. Yeah, and then make sure you do like different swifts so that it looks like you're smearing it. You want it to smear, guys. You don't want it to not smear, right? Right? And then after you're done with it, right? You come over here, you make a linear burn on your blend mode. You get a dark blue or purple, right? And you come over these areas with it just a little bit more, right? Right? Just to dim the light just a little bit, right? So then you get another layer and you get a blend, you go to your blend modes and you go to add glow. But you want to glow dodge more than a add glow. And then you get your pink color, your light pink, and you go over those lights and you make it like pop a little bit, right? And then you can even add some whites to like pop it out more, right? Then on that same layer, you want to get your spray. Now when you go to your spray, you go to your airbrush and it goes down to spray and it looks like little dots. So you make sure your dots is at 2 points and you just come over that bad boy like this. You can even do it with white so that it could pop out a little bit more. Right? And make sure you got it everywhere, guys, because you want it to look like a nebula. So just like all over the place as much as possible, right? Now once you do that, it's supposed to look something like this. And boom, my galaxy. Oh my god, the spanking machine. You can't spank me. So once you do that, guys, you get a white. You up your sparkle to like maybe 6 points. You get a big brush and you start dabbing it. You dab all those little lights, right? And then after you do that, you go up a little bit more to like maybe 17 points possibly. Make your brush huge and let them sparkle like that. After you're done and you got those big dots, you want to add another layer add glow, and then you just want to come over here with the hard airbrush and just make like, wait, where's my glow dodge? Glow dodge, glow dodge. Okay, here we go. You just want to like add some of the lights like this, because some stars, they like, they glow. So that's how you do it. And I am in love. You want this piece too? Look at this, guys. Bruh, you see, guys? It's easy. It's not that bad. So do it to some stars, even far distant stars, because I learned that some stars, they're actually burned out and they still burn bright in the fact that we're so far away. So we actually see them still. Wait, what the hell? Whoa. So that's how you do it. Sensei, teach me the way. I'm gonna keep this one too. I'm gonna keep this one underneath Celestial's name again. So let's save this as, and then I'm gonna make a part 3 for her. Part 3. I save everything that I do. I save because you never know when you're gonna need it. Like you see this right here, I like a lot because it has the blues, the reds, and stuff like that. The pink is like, it's okay, because that's just focusing on one galaxy, you know. So that's how I see it in my brain. But I like to do it that way because it's just, I don't know, I feel like my brain gets tickled like when I do it. Like I sit there and I just do it and my brain feels like calm.